Welcome to the Autoverse, your hub for comprehensive and engaging car content. Today we're diving into an exciting blend of classic French luxury and modern engineering, the Citroën CX GTI Restomod. This Restomod takes the beloved 1970s Citroën CX GTI, a car famous for its groundbreaking design and ride comfort, and updates it for a new era with performance and style enhancements. The original Citroën CX GTI was an icon known for its hydropneumatic suspension, aerodynamic shape, and avant-garde design. The Restomod keeps the spirit of the original but incorporates contemporary improvements under the hood and in the cabin. Starting with the engine, the classic model's power plant has been upgraded significantly. Enthusiasts will appreciate a modern turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine tuned to deliver around 300 horsepower, providing a substantial boost over the original's modest performance. The Restomod may even feature performance enhancements, like a custom exhaust system and reworked suspension, while still preserving the magic of Citroen's hydropneumatic setup, ensuring an otherworldly smooth ride. Inside, the cabin has received a high-tech makeover without losing the car's distinct charm. The plush seats have been reupholstered in premium materials. The ergonomics have been subtly improved, with premium touches like a leather-wrapped steering wheel and modern switchgear, enhancing the overall feel. On the outside, the Citroën CX GTI Restomod looks both retro and cutting-edge. The signature long and low fastback profile remains, accentuated by restyled bumpers, LED lighting, and subtle aerodynamic tweaks that bring it to the 21st century. Unique alloy wheels complete the exterior, giving the car a modern yet respectful homage to its classic roots. Safety features have also been updated, with options for adaptive cruise control, advanced braking systems, and lane-keeping assistance, making this Restomod as secure as it is stylish. The car aims to be as practical as it is nostalgic, maintaining the original's spacious cabin and expansive cargo area. The price for this Citroën CX GTI Restomod is expected to start at around $150,000, depending on customization and specific performance packages. While it's a significant investment, the blend of heritage and modern technology makes this Restomod a true collector's item and a head-turner for any classic car enthusiast. Thank you for joining us on the Autoverse. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the past and present of an iconic French muscle car. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more unique and engaging content on Restomods. See you in the next video.